What's going on, everybody? Biker Dave here once again regarding AOL Mail being a total flake and now changing things again. If you're having trouble using Microsoft Outlook on your desktop computer, like this right here, like if your AOL Mail account is not able to sync up no matter what you do, and it's telling you your password is wrong and that sort of thing when you know it is not wrong. Okay, I will show you how to fix it because there's been a new change as of July 18th, 2023. This will be the third change AOL has done that has screwed this up for people, basically. All right, here we go. First, sign in to your mail.aol.com and just log in to your email. So your screen should look something like this. Now keep an eye on my mouse because I will be moving it around, and you need to just keep an eye on where I go with this. The first thing you do, unfortunately, is what's called change back to basic mail. If you have already changed to what's called the new mail screen, which is what this one is, and unfortunately, I do not see anywhere to be able to do what I need to do in the settings or anything. Like over here on the right, I see nothing in the settings because it usually would be in the security and accounts section. I see nothing. All right, so what you have to do up here on the right, just follow my mouse up here. Go to settings, more settings. Switch to basic mail. See this on the left here. It is so stupid, but you have to click this guy. You can tell him to screw off or whatever because it sucks, basically. That's why we're switching back, and that's the only way we can get to the screen I need to get to make this work for your Outlook mail on desktop computers, and laptop computers. All right, so we're going to switch back. Give it just a second. Now the screen should change and look a little different. All right. Once again, and keep your Microsoft desktop, which this is called Outlook Desktop. That's what this software is right here. And this will be similar for cell phones as well. If you're having trouble using Outlook, yeah, you could do this for that too. But the actual AOL Mail mobile app works pretty well on cell phones and that sort of device. The mobile app works pretty well, so this shouldn't be an issue for that. All right, so keep this window here available, and just move it out of the way and go back here to your basic mail screen. All right, up to the top, and they've changed this since 2 years ago as well. All right, account info, click go right next to it. So stupid. Click go though. All right, now this will look just like it states in some of my previous videos. Everything else should look about the same, what you see from here on. All right, so now we go over to security on the far left here. Keep following my mouse. All right. Come down here to the center. Generate and manage app passwords. All right, here's where it gets interesting. Click that guy. All right, and then there used to be a drop-down menu right here to be able to select Outlook Mail or Outlook Desktop and Android Mail and stuff like that. But that's no longer here, so now you have to actually type it in. All right, so we're going to type in. Now I've already done this, is why it's showing me these options. But for you, just type in Outlook Desktop, which is what the Mail app is for Microsoft Windows, and this is also good for Windows 10, Windows 11. Anyway, type in Outlook Desktop, then click Generate Password right underneath it. Bam. Now, this stupid string of letters right here, you're going to copy this, so you can either just click Copy right there, or you may have to highlight it and click Copy. All right, this string right here is going to be it's not gonna change your original AOL password. This is only going to be a password that is used so that this software can communicate with America Online so that your email will sync up and show up in this application. It's ridiculous. Believe me, I know it's ridiculous. All right, so depending on, I have several AOL accounts, believe it or not. But let's say it's going to be, whichever one. Maybe it's this one. Whatever your email account is should be showing up in here. Come down to the bottom. Keep following my mouse. Click Settings. Over to the upper right. Manage Accounts. Click whichever AOL account is giving you grief. Hit that guy. Now paste that password that we just copied from the other screen. You will basically wipe the one out that's in there and paste the new one in there. Okay, now I've already done this, so I'm not going to do it again. But paste that new generated password. Now, once again, this does not change your real password that you have already assigned. This is a totally different situation where this is being generated by AOL to help AOL communicate with other applications. Once again, ridiculous. Anyway, so you'll have that new password pasted in there. Click Save. Blah, blah, blah. It should then look fine. It should start syncing up. You may have to click your synchronization button up top here, where you see my mouse moving. And then all of your new mail should pop up. Just make sure it's for the email address that's giving you grief. And if it's for all of them, you might be able to do that for all of these accounts. Otherwise, you may have to go back and generate a new one back over here again. X out of there. You may have to do it again. I'm not sure about that because it's been so long since I did this originally. I honestly can't remember. So you'll have to figure that part out yourself. Anyway, other things this can be used for is for Android Mail. You can just type that in, or for some other cell phones mail app. But like I said, quite honestly, the AOL map for your mobile device does work quite well. That's the only one I use now on my Samsung Galaxy S22 and 23 and Notes, Note 20 and all those. It works perfectly fine. So that should be no problem. Anyway, hopefully that gives you some updates here. And like I said, I don't create AOL. I don't work for them. I am totally not on board with what they do with all these changes and things they do, because it really messes people up. And it took me several years to finalize this fix. So if this helps you out, make sure you look up on the video screen. Go to your video screen here. Look underneath right here where it says thanks. If you would, please click the thanks button and feel free to shoot us a little donation, because it took a long, long time for us to come up with this fix. And I'm not trying to be a money grabber or anything, but nothing is free except YouTube. YouTube is totally free, and if any video, no matter what it is, helps you solve a problem or helps you not make the same mistake that other people made, make sure you go to that channel and click thanks. It's called Super Thanks. This is what this is called. And, shoot them a little donation. They will definitely appreciate it, no matter what channel you're referring to, for a fix. Anywho, yeah, ridiculous. Anyway, we've got tons of stuff on our channel as well as eBay store, Amazon store. So feel free to look through all the stuff that we have on our channel here. We've been here since like 2009, got over 1,500 videos. One recently viral video that got more than 15 million views. Totally amazing, and I was totally blown away by that. Anyway, so if you look in the description of this video, you'll see our social media links as well as our online stores and whatnot. So, mostly relating to motorcycle parts and specialty tools. So have a look at that if you're into those kind of things. Anyway, totally stupid. I'll say it once again. AOL is stupid, but I use their email because I've been using it since the 90s, and I'm not trying to change my entire stuff because I have several AOL email addresses. Anyway, that's it. Make Make sure you watch the video again if necessary, and you can slow it down and pause it and all that, and it will get you where you need to go. That's it. Hopefully it helps you out. Y'all have a great day. We'll see y'all later.